Hi there everyone, I'm Sarah and I work at the University of Warwick, and today I'm going to be talking you through what to expect when calling the Clearing Hotline. So you can get in touch with us if you've not got the grades that you were expecting and you're not holding a place at any other university. You can also get in touch with us if you've changed your mind. Maybe you do have a place, but maybe you're thinking it's not right for you anymore. Or maybe you never applied to university this year and now you're thinking about it. Give our hotline a call and let's see how we can help you. So before you call us, it's a good idea to have a look at the university webpage and identify any courses that we've got available in Clearing. Have a look at the entry requirements for those courses and make sure that you meet the requirements. So if you're calling the Clearing Hotline today and you're a little bit nervous, I've got some top tips for you. First thing we're going to ask you for is your UCAS ID, so make sure you have that ready. You'll also need a pen so that you can take down the reference number that we give to you. And you'll also need to have a phone charger, because there's nothing worse than your phone dying halfway through a conversation with the Clearing Hotline. If we're able to make you a verbal offer over the phone, then once you've finished your call with us, we'll send you an email with further details. On that email, we'll invite you to come and visit the campus in real life. You can take part in a campus tour. We've got lots and lots of people here ready and waiting to take your phone call. So when you've had a look at our website and you've identified some courses that you're interested in, pick up the phone and give us a call.